Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explain the most common gift card activation mistakes, step by step, and how you can avoid them to ensure your gift card works smoothly from the start. Step 1. Always confirm activation at the point of purchase. Many people assume a gift card is automatically activated, but this is not always the case. Before leaving the store, check your receipt and make sure it clearly shows that the card has been activated and that the correct balance is loaded. Step 2. Carefully read the instructions on the back of the card. Different brands have different activation and usage rules. Some cards require online activation, account registration, or usage only on specific platforms. Skipping this step can lead to confusion and declined transactions. Step 3. Protect the PIN and card number. When scratching off the security strip, do it gently. Using sharp objects or applying too much pressure can damage the code, making it unreadable and difficult to recover. Step 4. Avoid using the card immediately after purchase. Some gift cards need a few hours to fully register in the system. Trying to use the card too soon can result in an error, even if the card is valid and funded. Step 5. Keep your receipt in a safe place. The receipt is your proof of purchase and is essential if you need help from customer support. Without it, resolving activation or balance issues can be extremely difficult. Step 6. Never share your gift card details online or with unknown individuals. Scammers actively look for exposed card numbers and PINs, and once the balance is stolen, it is often impossible to recover. By following these steps, you can avoid the most common gift card activation mistakes and enjoy a secure, hassle-free experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future content.